On 13 September 2023, at Mexico Congress journalist Jaime Maussan alleged shown two 1,000-years-old alien corpses that was originally found in Peru. The journalist presenting the bodies to Congress once reported the existence of the Nazca mummy alien. Are these corpses real? Is there any chance of alien invasion or any signal of any bad thing, or is this all fake? Before jumping into the video, I want you all to subscribe to Intrigue Voyage and like this video. So, let's uncover this mystery. Jaime Maussan is a prominent Mexican journalist and ufologist known for his work in the fields of paranormal phenomena, UFOs, unidentified flying objects, and extraterrestrial life. Born on May 31, 1953, in Mexico City, Mexico, he has dedicated much of his career to investigating and promoting these topics. Maussan began his career as a journalist, working for various Mexican media outlets. However, he gained widespread recognition for his work in ufology and paranormal investigations. He is particularly well known for his involvement in the research and dissemination of alleged UFO sightings and encounters. Throughout his career, Jaime Maussan has organized numerous conferences, seminars, and presentations on UFOs and related phenomena. He has also produced and hosted several television programs, including Tercer Milenio, Third Millennium, which gained a significant following for its coverage of paranormal and unexplained events. One of the most notable cases that Maussan has been associated with is the Roswell UFO incident, which involved the alleged crash of an extraterrestrial spacecraft in Roswell, New Mexico in 1947. Despite his popularity within the ufology community, Maussan's work has been met with skepticism and criticism from mainstream scientists and skeptics who argue that many of the phenomena he presents as evidence lack credible scientific support. Jaime Maussan's influence extends beyond his work in ufology. He continues to be an active figure in the field, frequently appearing at conferences and events to share his views on extraterrestrial life and UFOs. Please note that Jaime Maussan's work is highly controversial and not widely accepted within the scientific community. Many of his claims and investigations are met with skepticism and criticism from skeptics and scientists who argue that they lack rigorous scientific evidence. Let's now come to the 13 September incident. The statement begins by mentioning that there were two alleged alien corpses, and they are claimed to be 1,000 years old. This immediately raises several questions and doubts, because the idea of ancient alien beings is not supported by credible scientific evidence. The alleged alien corpses were reportedly put on display in the Mexico Congress. This location choice is unusual and raises further skepticism. Scientific discoveries and research findings are typically not presented in such a manner. Instead, they go through rigorous examination and verification by experts in relevant fields. The statement highlights that claims about ancient alien remains are often associated with conspiracy theories and pseudoscience. Conspiracy theories are ideas that often lack substantiated evidence and rely on secretive or hidden explanations. Pseudoscience refers to beliefs or claims that are presented as scientific but do not adhere to the rigorous standards of the scientific method. It's crucial to emphasize that there is no credible scientific evidence to support the existence of extraterrestrial beings or ancient alien remains. In the scientific community, any extraordinary claim requires extraordinary evidence. So far, no such evidence has been presented or accepted by mainstream science. The statement points out that stories of this nature often circulate within the realms of UFO, unidentified flying object, and conspiracy theories. UFO sightings and conspiracy theories often involve unverified or unproven claims, making them a subject of skepticism among scientists and experts. The statement concludes by emphasizing the importance of approaching such claims with skepticism. In the face of extraordinary claims, it's essential to rely on reliable sources of information and scientific consensus. Scientific discoveries and phenomena are typically validated through peer-reviewed research and accepted by the scientific community. A similar case to this is very famous and known as the Phoenix Lights. The Phoenix Lights incident is one of the most famous UFO sightings in recent history. It occurred on the evening of March 13 in the skies over Phoenix, Arizona, and the surrounding areas. The incident began with multiple witnesses reporting the sighting of a series of lights in the sky. These lights appeared to be in a triangular or V-shaped formation. They were described as stationary or moving slowly and silently across the sky. Later that evening, a larger number of residents in Phoenix reported seeing the same or similar lights. These lights were visible over an extended period of time. The U.S. Air Force initially suggested that the lights were flares dropped by military aircraft during a training exercise at the nearby Barry Goldwater Range. However, many witnesses were skeptical of this explanation, as the lights appeared to move in a formation inconsistent with typical flares. Numerous eyewitnesses, including civilians, police officers, and government officials, provided testimonies describing the lights as enormous, low-flying objects with a span of several football fields. Some witnesses claimed to have seen a solid, dark mass behind the lights. They stated that a National Guard unit had been conducting nighttime training exercises, dropping illumination flares. However, this explanation did not fully satisfy many witnesses, as the light's appearance and behavior seemed inconsistent with flares. Some researchers and UFO enthusiasts have proposed alternative theories, including the possibility of extraterrestrial craft. Skeptics, on the other hand, argue that the lights could have been caused by a variety of conventional phenomena, such as aircraft, balloons, or atmospheric conditions. One notable aspect of the Phoenix Lights incident is that the then governor of Arizona, Fife Symington, initially made light of the situation by holding a press conference in which he brought out an aide dressed in an alien costume. Years later, Governor Symington acknowledged that he himself had witnessed the lights and had not taken the incident seriously at the time. Certainly, it's important to clarify the context of Jaime Maussan's involvement in presenting alleged extraterrestrial bodies to Congress and the subsequent debunking of one such case, the Nazca mummy. Jaime Maussan, a well-known Mexican ufologist and journalist, has been involved in numerous UFO and extraterrestrial-related investigations throughout his career. In 2017, he gained significant attention when he presented what he claimed to be the discovery of several mummified bodies in Nazca, Peru. These bodies were touted as potential evidence of extraterrestrial life due to their unusual appearance, including elongated skulls and humanoid features. At the time, Maussan organized a press conference and presented the Nazca mummies as groundbreaking evidence of ancient aliens. He even suggested that these mummies could be presented to Congress as proof of extraterrestrial existence. Eventually, in 2018, a comprehensive scientific analysis was conducted on the Nazca mummies. This analysis included DNA testing and CT scans. The results revealed that the mummified remains were indeed of human origin, and any claims of extraterrestrial connection were debunked. One of the mummies was even identified as that of a human child. But in the end, these bodies were debunked as the YouTube video got viral in which the same body as the journalist showed can be seen that was made of human and animal parts, like the face of the fake alien was made of the skull of a llama. So, there you have it, the complete explanation of the fake alien corpse incident. We have done our part, it's your turn now. Subscribe now to get more intriguing videos.